What if I told you that small, strange looking doll could cause street fights in London, sell for thousands of dollars online, get banned in some countries, and still be loved by millions? And what if I told you the real story behind this doll is even crazier than the headlines? Meet Labubu, a little figure with big round eyes, sharp teeth, and that's somewhere between cute and creepy. It was created in 2019 by Hong Kong artist Casing Leung for his picture book series The Monsters. But the real turning point came when Chinese toy giant Pop Market saw it and decided to sell it using their blind box method, where you buy a box without knowing exactly which version you will get until you open it. That mix of mystery and scarcity hooked people immediately. It's like a slot mission for toys. At first, Labu was a niche collectible known mainly among toy fans in Asia. But when TikTok and Instagram got involved, the trend exploded. People began unboxing them on cameras, show off rare editions, dressing them in tiny clothes, and making short videos where the dolls become little characters. Pop Market fed the hype by releasing hundreds of limited editions, seasonal themes, and collaborations with other artists, making some so rare they resold for thousands of dollars. Then celebrities like Blackpink, Lisa, Rihanna, Dua Lipa, and Bollywood stars like Ananya Pandey and Urvasi joined in, turning Labu from a toy into a fashion accessory and a symbol of social status. But the bigger the hype, the bigger the drama. In the UK, people camped overnight for new release. Fights broke out in lines. Police had to step in and shops stopped selling them for safety reasons. Fake labus, often called lafu, started flooding markets, some cheaply made and unsafe for kids, promoting healthy warning from authorities. And then came the strangest twist. Online conspiracy theories. Some claimed the doll had demonic energy, linking it to an ancient demon called Paju. Viral videos showed people burn their dolls or thrown them away, which instead of killing the trend actually made it more popular. In places like India and Southeast Asia, the Labu craze took on a more personal meaning. Often gave their dolls name, dressed them up, staged photo shoots, and even made them part of comedy skits. For more young people, the doll was like a safe, non-judgmental friend, what psychologists call a transitional object, something that offers comfort and acts as a stand-in for connection. And because it's small, customizable, and perfect for social media, Labu become part cloud, part creativity, part comfort. The whole phenomena teaches us a few things. Scarcity and mystery are still incredibly powerful in marketing. Gen Z values unique personal items over traditional luxury brands, and in the internet age, even controversy can be a fuel that keeps a trend alive. So the next time you see a Labu doll sitting on someone's desk or hanging from their bag, remember, you are not just looking at a toy. You are looking at a reflection of what this generation cares about: creativity, connection, and just a little bit of chaos. And here's the real question: if something this small can take over the world, what's the next object that could blow up? You might already be holding it without even realizing. Think about it. And this is your friend Chaitu signing off.